Hello. Today's topic about the spatio-temporal land surface temperature change assessment in Indore over past 3 decades, and my faculty mentor is Dr. Shobhit Chaturvedi. So, brief little about the project. As we all know, that with increase in urbanization, the surface temperature is rapidly increasing. So, by LANDSAT satellite with thermal bands, there are many bands in different satellites. So with the thermal bands, LST can be determined and analyzed. So we can suggest where we can plant vegetation or or we can decrease the surface temperature. So this is the topic about something. So objective of the study, like to develop the LST map for past 3 decades, like 1991, 2001, 11 and 21, and the axis that LST changed during past 3 decades, as I have said, for 4 years. Okay. So as about the introduction, from past centuries, like all urbanization is increasing and sudden declination of the total vegetation area or the earth, and from man has altered the environment as per his need without thinking about the other consequences of the environment. Okay. So gradually declination of the vegetation land, like forest land and all that. So rising in the CO2 all affect the surface energy budget earth in its climate. So meanwhile it is increasing in temperature. So land surface temperature has emerged as one of the main factor for its influence of surface energy budget with respect to LULC changes. The scope, I choose the city because Indore is the fastest urban growing city and received the award of cleanest city, etc., etc., and all this. So why I choose the city, this is the reasons. So this is the study area of the Indore. So this is the data collection, where I got the data, like from the USGS site there is a LANDSAT data available. So from that LANDSAT data I have picked some different LANDSAT, and from that LANDSAT I took the particular band, thermal band, because only from thermal band I can get the data of the temperature. That's why I use the band of the thermal. Okay. So now the methodology part. So as you can see, the first we will collect the data, then from the data, only thermal band is needed. So from thermal band we will make a LST of all 4 years. Okay, like from 1991, 2001, 2011 and 2021. So from all years we will get the map. Okay, then we will finalize the all maps, then we will see the change assessment, and then we will give you inference. Okay, the analysis, as you can see right now in figure. So this is the map of LST, land surface temperature map of 1991 and 2001, as you can see the degree. Okay, red shows the less than 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, then sky blue, blue, yellow, orange and red. As you can see, the orange is right now increasing 2001 from yellow. So 40 to 45 degrees Celsius is increasing from 2001, and this is the 11 and 21. Now yellow is getting a place of the orange. Okay, so you can see the temperature is increasing by every decades. So the reason is behind is vegetation is decreasing. So what we can do, so we can suggest some area, particular area, densify area, where we can grow up some vegetation, forest land, farms and like parks. So the temperature we cannot decrease the temperature, but we can at least minimize the temperature, so it will not increase. So as you can see, the graph of the analysis from all past decades. So in starting year, the 35 to 40 degree in Celsius, there was the area in 325 square kilometer. So it will decrease in 2021 by 41 square kilometer, but it is ultimately increased in 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. As you can see, previously it was 160 square kilometer, now it is on 420 square kilometer. And in some areas 45 to 50 Celsius is about, in 2021 it is approx 19 square kilometer. So we can see that the temperature is rising very rapidly. So this is the map of 2021 of Indore city. As you can see, blue is water body, red is built up, green is vegetation, and yellow is badland. So you can see the dense the built up area. So what we can do if urbanization is happening by every year, okay? So we can do something, so we can decrease the temperature or minimize or can get the minimum level of temperature, okay? So rising land surface temperature required urban planner and designer to include heat mitigation strategy to develop green space, park, urban forest, and provide shade, evaporating, cooling, and improve air quality. Like we can use the cool material in our construction, okay, like reflect surface to reduce the urban heat island effect, okay. So this is our proposed vegetation map, like as that built up area increasing by, okay. So we can build here some like forest area, farms, parks, okay, all that things as the white one proposed vegetation. So we propose this thing, so we can at least get the temperature at it is, it will not increase. So at least and right now we cannot like हम वेजिटेशन पे ही कुछ दूसरा वेजिटेशन बना नहीं सकते, हमको बेल लैंड पे ही दूसरा वेजिटेशन बनाना पड़ेगा. So only from bare land we picked the densified the built up area, and then we proposed that the forest area, parks, and all that we have to make this in this place. So this is the actual area, square kilometer area from wetland, 101 square kilometer, and after then from wetland we propose 17.4 square kilometer area for that particular extra greenery. So we can decrease the temperature and can level up the regular. So thank you.